Hey everyone, it's Kayla from Tumbler Designs. We're one of the highest selling digital download stores on Etsy worldwide, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can create your very own Tumbler design in Canva. So to start off, you want to come over to the Canva homepage and you want to go up into the right hand corner and click on Create a Design. If you pop down the bottom here, you'll see the custom size button, and up will pop your dimensions tab. So in here, we're going to put the size of our tumbler. I'm doing a 15-ounce tumbler today, and it's measured in at 9.2 by 5.1. Now always remember guys, to measure your tumbler before you print and press. You don't want to waste anything. And we're going to click on Create New Design, and up will pop our blank canvas. When you click on the canvas, you'll get some options here for background color, and we'll click on that, and then up will pop all the different color options. You can choose your own color from here, or you can choose a little gradient. Depends on the style you're going for. You could also go over to the elements and you could search for different patterns, and you could see what you like over there. Here, if you just want to click on that, it'll pop into the canvas, and you can right click and press on set image background if you like. Now keep in mind that will not make a seamless design. Today I'm actually making a seamless design, and I'm going to make a real minimalist style, and I'm just going to keep it with a white background. So now I'm going to go over and I'm going to upload my design elements. So I've actually pre-uploaded them, but I got these from Creative Fabrica. It's the easiest to use platform I've found to find commercial use design elements. I don't have to worry about coming back later to bite me for copyright issues. So I've actually found this little cute Be Kind to Your Mind PNG affirmation, and just some cute little bouquet looking elements, and upload those into Canva. We're just using the borders today, so I'll just upload those into here. We can drag it in and it'll pop over there. So we're going to actually just grab onto the corner here and then put it down to a smaller size, because we want to make just a little border across the bottom, and we want to keep it seamless too. So you want to leave just a little gap at the end here so that we don't have any crossover when we're pressing our tumbler. Now we want this to be quite central, so we're going to just grab onto this corner and wait for the guideline to come up to see that it's halfway. See those little pink lines? Now we're going to duplicate that layer there, so we press Control C, Control V to paste. And we'll just move it over and just pop it in there so it's nice and even with everything else. And we're going to highlight both of them just by clicking and dragging, and we can remove this up and down now, or we can group it together, and now that's just one image. And I want to actually make a little border for up the top as well, so I'm going to Control C and Control V now. Once they're grouped together, we can actually just come down to this little arrow section, and we can rotate it around and turn it upside down. See, 180 degrees now, that's straight. And we can just have a little bit popping at the top. We don't want too much because we want to leave some room for our little affirmation quote. So we just move that all around. There we go. Now I'm just going to add my little saying over there. That's a good size there. We could just up and down move it around as well. There we go, nice and central. Now you could edit the image if you want. There's a lot of flip sides up here, flip horizontal, flip vertical. You can edit the photo, you could make it a different color. Lots of different options. We could definitely do something a bit more in-depth later on, but for now I'm just gonna keep it pretty simple and just have a plain black little cute little logo there. That's a nice minimalist design. I know my mother's going to love it. I'm making it for her. So what I'm going to do now is print it off so we can press it. Then if we go up into the right hand corner, we'll click on share. Now that'll give you the option to download your file. If you click on that, you can choose which file type. I prefer PNG for printing, and you can have a transparent background. I don't need that today, but I'm just going to go for what we've designed and press download. And now, yeah, there it's downloading. And our first design is all done.